Hello, here I am back with the next steps of the welded wire blade project. As you can see, I fitted up everything in a loose assembly. The phosphor bronze bolster, the the black buffalo horn, the bone, black buffalo horn, phosphor bronze bolster, and an acorn nut which will be turned into a castle nut. Everything basically slides over the back end. This is a full through tang knife. I build these things like a battleship because you never know what kind of experiences these knives are going to have. These are just, I just love bone. The bone grip, it can be just so damn beautiful. It can be plain, it could be elaborate. You can do two-piece hilts, three-piece hilts with them. Put spacers in them like I did here. Put spacers on either end like I did here. Leave them plain. You can dye them. You can dye sections and leave other sections a natural bone color. You can antique them. I'll be going into that at a later date. This is just something that has to be done for the individual maker. This is up to you to do that. Let me move this up a little bit, get a better shot of that grip. As it is, this is kind of a dull finish. It's still got to be final buffed. Everything's going to be pared down. I've got to epoxy, do the hard assembly. Then after that's set, I will come back and blend everything, get rid of all this extra material, make everything nice and pretty, and then I'll figure out how I'm going to tart it up. I do know I'm going to put some file work on the bolster and pommel plates. I am still not 100% sure what I'm going to do with the studs. I might do the phosphor bronze studs to make everything match, or I might do the nickel silver ones to give it a little extra color to go with the bright silver color in the blade. I think that would be set off quite nicely and complement it. But as it is, this is one of the things I just worked out in my head. From the beginning I said I didn't have any idea what it was going to turn into being, so I think it's turning out pretty good so far. The next step, like I said, will be to do the epoxy. I'll let that set, come back in, and then blend everything. And after I blend it, I will be back and show you how to do the file work again on the bolster and the pommel plates. This is going to be a little short segment, only a few minutes long. The next one will be longer because I'll be doing the file work. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, I wish you would. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscription button. I think I have solved the problem with the zoom. On my other camera, that has a digital zoom. This one I'm using has an optical zoom. I think that is the problem. It has been advanced to me that that would be the problem, since the backgrounds stay focused on the other one and the stuff I really need to see blurs out. So I am picking this stuff up slowly. You know, just like I do everything else. I might not be fast, but I am thorough. At least I'll try to be. Thank you very much for your time. May the wise Lord bless and keep you. I'll be back shortly. Bye-bye.